Namaste, my dear students. I glad you welcome you all to the new class. That is, now you have been stepped into the next level. That is your second standard. I wholeheartedly welcome you all to the new class. I'll start with a quote. You learn something every day if you pay attention. So, children, I just say you to learn, not to study. So, we move on to our class now. Just you learn. I'm not forcing you to study. Okay. So from now onwards, pay little attention to whatever I say. That is quite enough for me. I hope you have all enjoyed your holidays in your home very safely. So please continue the same. In between, just pay attention for whatever we say. Thank you, children. Now we move on to our classes. This is your English course book. This is the front page. Okay, before entering to the lesson, let me ask you one thing. Okay, listen me. Okay, assume that if you do any mistakes or some other thing without knowing your parents' knowledge, what will you do? And then what will be your reaction? Will you face them frankly or boldly, or you feel very guilty? Let me know. Can anyone say this? I hope our children will not do like this, right? So whatever you do, you have to say to your parents, right? Yes. Now we are going to see the lesson why Meena could not sleep. Let us see what happens to Meena. Why she could not able to sleep. Okay. Warm up. Look at these pictures. Can you able to guess anything by looking at the picture? In the first picture, a boy was there and their parents were standing each other. And in the second picture, and also in the first picture, there was a milk in a glass. In the second picture, he was very confused and there was no milk. Can you able to guess what he did and what was happened? Okay, let me read the conversation. Mother asked Mohan to drink a glass of milk. The phone rings and Mohan goes to answer it. When Mohan comes back to the table, the glass of milk is empty. What do you think happened to the milk? So what they are saying? Like our parents, like your parents, here also a situation that Mohan parent asked him to drink a glass of milk. I would think that he could not like to drink milk. Okay, so what he did? The phone rings, Mohan goes to answer it. When he comes back, the glass of milk is empty. What happened? Can anyone able to guess this? Either Mohan could pour the milk in the outside or somewhere else. Or else, what happened? So, this picture is related to our lesson. One night, Meena could not sleep. She sat up in bed and looked out of the window. So what happened? One day night, Meena could not able to sleep in the night time. She sat up in bed. What does mean by sat up? The past tense of sit. So she got up from the bed and looked out of the window. So she looked out of the window. This resembles like if we did any mistakes, we cannot able to sleep in the night time, right? Okay, let us see what happens. She could see the moon. It looked like the moon was laughing at her. What she did? She was seeing the moon. The moon was laughing at her. It looks like that. Okay, she assumed that the moon is laughing at her. That is, it is smiling. Okay. Don't look at me like that, moon, she said. What she is saying? Don't look at me. You don't know what really happened today because it was in the morning. You don't look at me because the incident was happened in the morning, but you were in the night. So you don't laugh at me. Like that, Meena is saying. To whom? To the moon. Because the moon comes in the night only, no. The incident was happened in the morning. So she thought that the moon could not know anything. Okay, something was happened. Let us see at the end of the lesson what Meena did, what made her to not to sleep. She tried to go back to sleep. Again, she tried to go back to sleep. The clock went tick tock, tick tock. You could have heard the sound of the clock in the night, right? Because there was no any disturbance. So we can hear the sound of the clock like this. Tick tock, tick tock. Meena thought the clock was saying, I know, I know. So how she thought? The tick-tock sound heard like that, I know, I know. So even the clock is also saying that, I know, I know. Like that she thought. Something would have been happened. Right? So only Meena is thinking like this and all. The moon is laughing at her. The clock is saying, I know, I know. Right? Look at the picture. The moon was laughing at her. She tried to sleep. She could not able to sleep. She sat on the bed, and while looking at the window, the moon was laughing at her. She just think of that like this. In reality, it is not possible, but something she would have done. So the things made her to think like this. Okay. So the rest of the lesson, we'll see it on the next day. Thank you, my dear students.